Hi, I'm Quinton McCallum.
And I'm Elizabeth Anderson.
And welcome to Taking Stock. The GM debate continues this week in SA with the release of a government commissioned study into the economic benefits of remaining GM free. The report identified export markets which have significant interest in buying naturally healthy foods with non-GM ingredients. The state government believe our non-GM status will provide a competitive edge in those markets, but organisations like Grain Producers SA and CropLife Australia are not convinced. They argue the report doesn't identify any price premiums being achieved for SA grain. GPSA say SA croppers are missing out on a number of agronomic benefits associated with growing GM and are calling on the state government to release data showing an existing premium for not being GM free.
Hay production is up for the year, but there are concerns this could mean an ease in price. Overall plantings of hectares for hay are up 10 to 15%, and with a good season, yields are also expected to boom. There are also concerns about demand, with good fodder easily available, and concerns about quality with large amounts of rain.
There has been a mixed reaction to the federal government's announcement that the proposed backpacker tax will be scaled back from 32.5% to 19%. Some believe the reduction will persuade working holiday makers to change their plans and come to Australia, while others think the change didn't extend far enough. SA Senator Nick Xenophon says the 19% rate still puts Australia at a competitive disadvantage to New Zealand, who tax about 12% up until $14,000 in earnings. Ceravolo Orchard's Quality Assurance Manager Joyce Ceravolo said it will be hard to know the impact of the initial tax proposal and this week's reduction on labour supply until harvest season starts.
And we're coming to the tail end of ram selling season, and there have been some great results this year, particularly among merino and pole merino breeders. Averages and top prices have jumped, with 16 out of the 70 sales reaching averages above $2,000. The lift is being driven by good wool prices and a strong lamb market. So pick up the paper for more news and check out the Stock Journal website for coverage on the storms across the state.